I want to show you how we're making fast food tonight. And the reason that this is really important is because we need healthy fat to have healthy cells, to have healthy bodies. So if you're tired all the time or you're getting brain fog or you absolutely can't lose weight no matter what you do, then you need to go upstream and identify, is there cellular inflammation in your body? And if so, healthy fat is the number one thing. I've started with a layer of this enchilada sauce, which I got on Thrive Market. Put one layer there. I've got two different kinds of corn tortillas. What's important here is that it is non-GMO, number one. And number two, I look at the ingredients and I make sure that we have no bad fats. I got this one probably at Whole Foods. This one was probably at Whole Foods also. There is another brand that you can get at Natural Grocers, but just look in your grocery store. I especially love blue corn because it's heirloom. It's not hybridized or genetically modified. And so I put a layer there. Then we're going to put some ground beef. It is 100% pastured from wild pastures. I love having that membership. Saves me so much time and ensures good quality. I did put some red onions in there. You can add garlic, do whatever you want there. We're going to put the beef in here. We're going to put one more layer of the tortillas. And here is a different kind of sauce that you can try, again, on Thrive Market. And then we're going to put a thick layer of the grated cheese. This is my number one choice because it is A2 protein. And if you don't know why that's important, we've got videos on that. Then my second choice is this one. It is raw and it is grass, so that's important. This one is my third choice because it's not grass-fed. That's why it's third, not second. So I hope that these help you. Makes it really, really fast to have healthy food.